In this video, I will show you how to create an outline from a template in Kurzweil 3000. To create an outline from a template, go to the topmost menu, click on Write, scroll down to New, click on Outline, and then click on From Template. The open window will then open in Kurzweil. You will then be able to choose a template that you would like to use for your outline. This helps you to start structuring an outline based on what kind of paper or essay you're planning to write. For this example, I will choose Compare and Contrast. Click to select the template that you want, and then click Open. The outline template will then show up in Kurzweil. Fill in the template as you want depending on your topic. If you want to change aspects of the template, you can modify the template using the outline palette. More features of the outline palette were discussed in the video, how to create a new outline using Kurzweil 3000. If you need guidance in deciding what to write in each section of the outline, you can click on the blue icons that appear before each point in the outline. These will help give you tips for where to begin and what to write in each specific section. You can then save your outline. You can do this by going up to the top left-hand corner of Kurzweil, clicking on File, and then clicking on Save As. You can then name your file and choose where you would want to save your file. Make sure that your file is in KC file format. Then click Save. You can also choose to save your file to the Universal Library. For directions on how to do this, please see the video, How to Save and Open Files Using the Universal Library in Kurzweil 3000.